collected a raw surface water sample from Klang River in Kampung Padang Jawa Petaling. As you can see, the water is visibly turbid and contains suspended materials requiring proper lab assessment and treatment. First, we perform physical testing on the untreated sample, prepare blank sample and water sample, insert code color testing at spectrophotometer. We wipe the sample cell and take the readings. Next, we use a calibrated turbidity meter to test the initial cloudiness, measuring a baseline turbidity level before any coagulation takes place. Next, we move on to the chemical testing. We measure the initial pH and dissolved oxygen of the sample using a digital pH meter. We sanitize our hands and workspace before conducting the E. coli test. Next, we pour the water sample into a sterile reagent bottle, add the colloidal reagent, and shake well until it is completely dissolved. The prepared sample is then transferred into a quantity tray and sealed using a quantity tray sealer. The tray is placed in the incubator for 24 hours. After incubation, a UV light test reveals significant bacterial activity, confirming that the raw sample is positive for both total coliforms and E. coli. To understand the baseline water chemistry further, we prepare the sample with specific reagent, which is free chlorine reagent. By shaking well the sample cell to measure any naturally occurring free chlorine via the spectrophotometer. Six identical beakers were filled with equal volumes of the raw water sample. Each beaker was treated with incrementally increasing chemical dosage of ferric chloride. Then we place all the beakers to the jar test machine. We then program the jar tester at a high speed RPM for a short duration to rapidly disperse the coagulant and destabilize colloidal particle charge. The agitation speed was reduced to a slow rapid to encourage gentle particle collisions. The pedals were stopped and the jar were left undisturbed to allow the foam flocks to settle down to the bottom of the beakers. Take 10 ml of the 6 sample from the jar test treatment and redo all the experiments before.